Good morning and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name is Darren and this channel is about backpacking, finding your next adventure, and enjoying the outdoors. In today's adventure, we're going to be doing the Foxy Falls Metric Century. So come join us. So we are here in Davis, California for their annual Foxy Falls ride. They have options for 50K, 100K, which is the metric, the 60 that we're doing today, and the 100 miler. I've done the 100 miler twice, and I think this is my second or third time doing the metric. We're meeting my brother-in-law and his brother and his wife are going to join us today. Looks like to be a great day. Temperatures early morning are going to be in the 50s and scale up to around 80s this afternoon. Estimated time, maybe over 4 hours ride time. They do have aid stations every 20 miles. That's great. And had my morning bagel, banana, and an added biscotti for breakfast. Nutrition wise, I got the Scratch nutrition, some 2 goos, some salt tablets for the ride. They will provide snacks along the way, and it's looking to be a great ride. Okay, for nutrition today, we've got some goos, Cliff, and a mocha and a tri-berry. We got some Scratch Lab Sports hydration mix, and we got some ibuprofen salt tabs and some Tylenol. Fits nicely in this little bento box. And we got the bike valet. We're at the Davis Veterans Memorial Center. Alright, good morning. It's about 8:30 right now. We just started out from the Davis Veteran Memorial Center. We're cruising at 15, 16 miles per hour. Just started this first leg. 20 miles to the first aid station. Okay, we are about 17 miles in, a couple miles to the aid station. Let's talk about training. So how did I train for this metric century? Well, it's a combination of 1 to 2 days of strength training, about 30 minutes each. I was running twice a week, 5 miles a piece, and then my bike training consisted of 2 to 3 times on a trainer at home for about an hour, and then like a longer ride, like 20. I built up over the past 2 to 3 months from about 15 to 20 miles up to about 40. You don't really need to go all the way to 60 if you're training for something like this. The Foxy Falls ride is not really a race, but more of a fondue. So you're enjoying the scenery, enjoying the company of fellow bikers out there, and just enjoying being outside. Alright, we're about 19 miles in, cruising at a good 16-mile pace, still feeling good. I took a salt tablet. See how we got riders in the back. But nice easy morning, looking good. I think so. Here's the famous Washington Bridge with graffiti all over. Heading into the
Exiting just for today, stay to your left. Perfect. You're the leader, everyone's gonna follow you.
First aid station here. And it's 24 miles. All right, so we just finished the first 24 miles here at the first aid station. The next aid station is about mile 43, 44. Feeling okay so far. I'm trying to drink at least a liter fluid, trying to stay hydrated. Current temperatures are in the 60s, so it's still pretty cool. But we're gonna take a 10-minute break and catch up some snacks, maybe grab a banana and use the restroom. Okay, got a flat tire for the second time. 2 years ago on this ride. Okay, so we just pulled out of the first aid station. We're at mile 28, close to 29, and with a slight 5% grade, maybe 500 feet of elevation, but the big climb is coming up still. It's not too big, but it's probably, I don't know, the biggest one on this course. So the course is a 60-mile route, loop. So we're going through a lot of farmland, Cowtown, and it's a great day for a bike ride. Mile 30, we are making the big climb for the day. Miles in. Current speed 18 to 19 miles per hour. We're about 4 miles out to the next aid station, which is more of like a little lunch break. Hopefully won't stay too long. I got separated from my group a little bit. Dean, Jay, and Connor are just behind me. Maybe a mile behind. We'll catch up together at the next stop. We made it to the second aid station, about 44 miles in. 3 hours, 25 minutes so far. We're gonna grab some food, enjoy Solano Lake. It's a different spot this year than normally. A little further down the road, but looks like they've got some great amenities, some restrooms. They have a bike aid station and plenty of food. So let's go get it. Assortment of fruit, chips, bananas, watermelon, definitely pickles, and sandwiches. Okay, we just finished our break. It's about 4 miles in. We got less than 20 miles to go. Just gearing up here near Lake Solano. It's pretty flat the rest of the way in. And we'll catch you up when something exciting happens.
That's a different sound if
Yeah.
I didn't like it.
Why?
Hey.
Oh my
Sorry, sorry. Alright, back across the Washington Bridge. Only about 5 miles to go. Feeling okay. Staying hydrated. Almost back. We're averaging maybe 18 miles an hour. Alright, Connor's right behind me. Heading into the last mile. Almost back. I think my family's waiting for me at the end, finish line. I'm excited to see that. Ooh boy, I'm tired. Hi, Joe. Hi. Hey, Jake. Okay, thanks for watching YeeFit Adventures on this adventure to Foxy Falls, the 60-mile metric century. We had a good ride today, besides the flat tire. We just finished in about 5 hours, including the breaks along the way. And now we're gonna grab some food and relax. So take care, and let's find your next adventure.